Hello guys, this just your Precious and you're on Jesse the Polymath project. Um, the question you see on the board are for my students, both ones in prospect and the current ones. Meanwhile, it's a past question on JAMB, and perhaps if problems like this come on and you encounter them in an external exams, here's what you're going to do. Let's carefully go through it. As a matter of fact, I'm still trying to set up my studio and we're going to be managing seeing this on different boards. You see the question on a different board and where I solve it on a different board. So all we're going to do is try to memorize as much as we can the question on the board. So the first thing we'll be looking at is the image where we have in the figure above, they said that the length from T to S is parallel to the length of X to Y. So I'm strongly believing that the X is somewhere around that angle where we have 47 degrees. And they also said that X is equal to TY. And then they're also trying to tell us that blah, 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 blah. If you look directly into the image, you get a sense of what they're trying to show you. Let's say I do a rough sketch on my board. Let's hop in. I'm trying to see how much I can recall this question. Okay, we're set. Um, this is very much what I recall. It's gonna be a little hazy, and I'm taking the parts that I think serves the purpose for answering the question. So, so we know that from the question we are meant to know that here is equal to the length of here, and here is x, while here is y, and then the angle for x is 47 degrees, y here is n, and here is 34 degrees. From what we know, we believe that this line is parallel to this line. So this is exactly what I have in mind, and we're going to start from here. So the question is to find the area or the angle that is marked n. Invariably, we are looking for the values of n. Looking at this, I'm going to initiate the laws of um, intercept, geometric intercept, which makes us believe that alternating angles are equal. But before that, we are to believe that the triangle where we have, I think this area is going to be, give me a minute. Okay, T to S. They said T to S is parallel to X to Y. All right. All right. So that information well taken. The next thing that we're going to be looking at is how we go around this T S. We believe that these are alternating angle. Please forgive that. Um, I'm trying to make a straight line to show you what I mean by alternating angle. This is equal to this, provided these two sides are parallel to each other. Invariably, here is equal to 34 plus n degrees. And then this is an isosceles triangle, of which if one of the base angle is 47, that means here would also be 47 degrees. So we're going to still engage the laws of sum of interior angles of a triangle. So we're going to say sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. In other words, 47 plus 47 plus 34 plus n degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So if the laws or the reason for doing this were asked, you would say alright, so that's a pensive silence, but I think we get the idea. So 47 plus 47 plus 34, you have to deal with the real numbers first, where we have 47 plus 47, that will give us 94, then add up 34, which will give us 128. So here we have 128 plus n is equal to 180 degrees. So next thing we're going to do is subtract 128 degrees from both sides. And at the end of the day, you find out that here becomes equal to 0, leaving n on the left-hand side of the equation. And then 180 minus 128 leaves us with 52. So n, or the area marked n, is equal to 52 degrees. So if this is jam, would likely want to believe that yes, the options are there, and we got 52. So that would become option B. So thank you guys. I was literally worried about what to create just to tell people that we're having online classes and would love you to join, provided you're having difficulties on subjects such as mathematics, physics, and further mathematics. So keep tuned in or stay tuned in. Bye for now.